In this video, we installed a single disc 4C Circle D 3800 stall converter in our 5th gen Camaro SS. So let's get right to it. The first thing we got to do is get rid of the exhaust, get that out of the way. Then to remove the factory 2-piece drive shaft.
Is there like a little hub to it or something? It's like,
Yeah.
aha, let's see it. We'll put some.
So as far as the trans cooler goes, the one that I got from Jags, we're going to delete all the trans lines. We're going to get rid of all the lines. Okay, so we're going to re-hook up. We got a 6AN line that's going to go right into the transmission, and we got braided lines that are going to run whatever route we want. And we're going to come here, we're going to take this bolt out here to get this bracket off. And then we disconnected your lines out of your radiator. We're gonna get rid of the lines and we're gonna replace them with the braided lines.
Sacrifice is made for the channel.
Then after unbolting the converter from the flex plate, we removed all of the transmission bolts.
That should be all of them.
Yeah, looks like it.
I think it might, I'm trying to remember, it might make it easier if we put something under the oil pan too.
You wanna use one of those?
Yeah. I probably have like a little block of wood. Ooh, sing. Wow.
It's weight savings. Dude, this car is dirty, man. They must, I think whoever had this lived on a dirt road, because dude, there was so much dirt everywhere. I still find dirt places.
Why is that not seem that tight? Probably just because it's in a bad spot.
Yeah. Try to wiggle it a little bit. You know what we had to do?
Is there
Pry bar here and pop it. That's right.
Yeah.
Go here. There we go.
And then the converter, that's still on there pretty secure.
Yeah.
Because that'll be like a good 5-quart mess. I need to go up with this or drop it down?
Seems like
There we go.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Nice. Oh,
guess
it's
I'll leave that.
C6 trans.
It's got that C6. Let's shut this back a little bit. Still warm.
Yeah.
That's a big motherfucker. We could probably do a weight comparison too.
Yeah, hell yeah. I was reading about this. I was reading about the stock converter. They said that they're very well made, and they don't balloon for like at least 700 horsepower.
Oh crap!
Like they're pretty well made.
And take the screenshot from it.
51.6.
Back in the slip. Now that 51.6 will assume there's 4 quarts in there.
Okay.
That's probably 6, 7 pounds.
Get my phone out.
Yeah, once you set it on there, it's weird.
33.3.
So figure with the fluid. So, I mean, I'm assuming this probably holds 4 quarts.
Yeah.